started with the ever popular and ever necessary back to school tips and tricks. I will be sharing with you some of my personally extremely helpful and beneficial tips and tricks that I've learned to help me navigate the wonders of education. The first tip I have for you is to get a planner or some other physical type of organizational system. This will help you out immensely because having things physically written down makes it much easier to remember and organize yourself to be able to prioritize studying for tests, completing homework, completing projects, to be able to organize your time effectively, to be able to give each assignment the time and the effort that it deserves. And another wonderful tip there when completing homework is to start with the most challenging assignments first, because if you get those done, then everything else that's easy for you will be a lot easier because you have already accomplished the most challenging subject. Another wonderful tip there that I can give you is if you are struggling with an assignment or a particular subject, go to your teachers for help. Go to them after school. They will be around to help you because that is what they're there to do, to help students succeed. And I know you might be thinking, but they're too busy to help me. Wrong. Teachers are never too busy there to help students. They will make time there for the students there who do put forth the effort to show that they want to succeed and that they care about their grades, they care about their participation, they care about how well they do to be able to graduate high school, to be able to enter college, to be able to do well in college. It all correlates with one another. You do well in high school, you do well in college, you do well in life. It is very simple but very necessary. Another wonderful tip I have is to make sure that you be yourself there in school there. Don't try to be anybody there that you're not. If people don't like you for you, that is their problem. That you've done everything that you can do by being yourself there, by putting yourself in the best possible genuine scenario there, that you can be genuine, you can be yourself there, so then people are befriending you and not the idea of the person there that you want them to see. Because if people don't like you for who you are, they're not worth liking and they're not worth your time. And the best advice I can give you there is to, if you have extracurricular activities, to do them because it's something that you enjoy doing, not because your friends have joined them and you're not really into it, but you do that just to be around your friends. Do activities that make you happy. Do activities that are inspiring and interesting to you. If you like a book club because you enjoy reading, go for it. If you like to do dance because you like to be able to express yourself along with the music and to be able to create creative choreography, then do it. It doesn't matter there if none of your friends join these particular after-school activities. It's that you enjoy doing them because they make you happy, because they make you feel successful, because they make you proud. That is why you should do these activities in school, is because they benefit and appeal to you. Another wonderful tip I have there is when you are studying for tests, do not wait till the last minute. And two beneficial apps that will really help you with studying is the app QUIZLET, which can be found on both iOS and Android app stores, which would be Google Play and the Apple App Store. It is an app there where you can type in all of the definitions and the terms to go along with the definitions, and it will quiz you with matching, with filling in the blanks, to matching it from the term to the definition or the definition to the term. It is the most beneficial form of studying there that I have ever done. I really enjoyed all of the wonderful grades I'd gotten on tests there after I had used this wonderful app there, and I honestly had wished that I had known about it sooner. And another wonderful app, website that I can recommend is EasyBib. It is extremely helpful there when it comes to writing the ever popular essays that you will get a lot of throughout school. It will help you when it comes to crediting your sources there to show you how the website needs to be listed there. If it has to be in an MLA format, it shows you how to type that website in MLA format so you can get your sources cited correctly. I really enjoyed all of these wonderful tips there that I had throughout high school, and if you guys have any wonderful tips below, make sure you put them in the comments below. I read all of your comments. And make sure that you hit the notification bell down below there to be notified of all of the upcoming videos. And give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. And stay tuned for my next video. Until then, be sure that you have sensational smiles going for miles, and be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you guys in my next video, subbies. See you later. Good luck in school.